What's going on YouTube? Today I'm doing putting new fans on the car. Putting these low profile ones on here. They're pusher and puller. It's 2,135 CFMs. Got two of them. The two I got now are Spal fans I got from Champion, but those are only pushing 3,100 CFMs, and my car is getting overheated while on the drive. So I'm gonna swap those out and show you all the process, and hopefully this will bring those temps down. So the next part is I'm gonna flip this around, let's say. Go from a pusher, from a puller to a pusher. We're gonna take it, flip it. So slide this quick back on. Alright, there we go. From a pusher to a puller. Just undo this clip, swap it around. That's all you gotta do. Wasn't too bad. The clearance is kind of tight, but it actually got enough space back there. So those are the old fans were 12-inch fans. The Spal fans I got from Champion, and these new ones are Summit Racing 14-inch 2100 CFM. So I'm zip tie those up or use a little pull through thing that came with for the radiator. I guess the tie downs. I would say not to pull through things. And shit, we're gonna see how it go. And I'm gonna take y'all underneath and show you the wiring. All right, so I did get the new fans in there. I was on the phone, so it didn't record. But I had to use some zip ties because the piece that come with it, I didn't order the extra pull through the radiator, so I had to use the zip ties. It's gonna be covered up though by my radiator support. Now I'm gonna show y'all underneath the wiring it up. All right. Make sure it's connected, and that's connected right there. That's for my boy Bruce, because he said if you don't pull it, it don't come off. It's straight. He be giving them little baby ass tugs, and this shit be coming loose. Nah, I don't fuck with you. This shit is straight. Just talking shit to him. I know he gonna watch it. This is the positive side right here. This is going back up to the switch I got. I'm not running mine off the Holly. I'm running mine off just a dedicated switch. Because I got a Holly Terminator X Max. So I got the not enough inputs and outputs to run everything. So that's the good thing about getting a Dominator. The bad thing about the Dominator is that bitch is like $3,000. So it's worth it for the outputs, but if you ain't got the bread right now, fuck it. Get the Terminator X Max. Straight. I'm gonna take this old one off and put a fresh one on there. Go.
about. It's a toggle switch, so I'll just flip it one up for one fan, other one for both fans. Get on a dedicated 30 amp relay, so if one blow, you know, I can go right to the relay and check it out. So that's what my fans right there for the dedicated relay. All right. So this is what it looked like with the radiator support back on. You can't even see the zip ties in there. So shit, it came out good. Man, I appreciate y'all tapping in with me. I'm gonna bring some more builds coming up. That's the OG hood over there. This is my high ring I was telling you about. So thanks for support and the love, and I'm gonna keep bringing out more videos along this race season. Hopefully have some updates this weekend, race-wise anyway. So appreciate y'all tapping in with me.